Welcome back to another episode of Canadian Auto. Today, we're going to go to the junkyard. We're going to stop at Dr. Shine Auto Spa in Winnipeg HID. Well, come with us, get what we need to get, and we'll just be getting stuff to make more content for you guys. Because ultimately, I mean, that's what it's all about. Don't forget, here's our Dookie. Dookie, hey. Come on. What'd you see? There you are. Hey. Oop. Alright guys, so the junkyard we're going to is on Springfield Road. Now, if you're from Winnipeg or you know anything about the junkyards in Manitoba, they can be found on Springfield Road, and by that I mean there's about 10 or so of them. So we're just turning off now. We're going to be going down Springfield to one of the junkyards. Things we're picking up to today is the rear gas struts for my my hatch, because it won't stay up, right? So yeah, I could use, you know, the good old hockey stick on the trunk lid, but it's not practical all the time, and it's a bit of a pain in the ass. We went there yesterday, we got one, but it kind of broke, so we're going to go back, see if they have it, and then afterwards we're going to go just down the road, around the corner, and we'll be at Dr. Shine, Winnipeg HID. So, we're going to do a quick time-lapse, going to the junkyard, and then, you know, we'll do our magic bits walking around. If they have the parts we need, we'll take them off, you know, yada yada, blah blah blah, and so be it. Oh, alright, so we're at the junkyard. We're at Buck's Auto. It's one of the more well-known junkyards on Springfield. We're not supposed to park on the shoulder, but so we're going to be quick. It's just funny because we're in the Protege 5, which is the hatchback. This is the Protege, the sedan. Just one of those things. So we'll see you on the other side of the fence. Gotta check our tools, you know, just safety reasons, and then we'll catch you on the other side. Alright, well, we found a couple of our cars. Gas struts are off of one. The other one has a collapsed, or it was rear-ended, so the won't open up. It's just right over there. But I got some Mazda 3s, which it's kind of like the 1 year up. Yeah, I don't think it will. No, it won't work. It's set up a little different, so we're just going to keep walking around, see what we can find, because it is a junkyard after all. People make things work. So next time you see us, rather we'll be taking the part off we need, or we'll be going to a different junkyard. Alright, well, here's another one of our cars. This one's been taken apart a lot. Doesn't have what we need. It's not a bad looking Protege though. Kind of want the headlights because they're blacked out. They look a little better condition than ours, but these need massive restoration. I mean, I could just take the lenses off myself. You know, it's pretty cool. Got a really old VW next to a new one. But you come to the other side. Ouch, that would have hurt. So, I mean, oh, you see it? Right over there. It's the car we need, same color, but it's squished. So that won't do us any good. Really debating these headlights now. They weren't $60 a piece. I think I'll pass. Anyways, we'll try a different junkyard, and we'll see you there. Don't know how I missed it right when I walked in. This is exactly what I need. Trunk's up, so it has the struts. This is perfect. I don't know how I missed this. So we're going to take these off and get going. Alright, well, it's going to be a little hard to do this with one hand, so I'll see you guys after I have this off. I tell you what, getting something from the junkyard, I got a great score for that. Makes my day. Can't argue with that. Oh my goodness. Well, it looks like somebody's going to be fired. One good way to lose your truck and your job. I'm not sure how well that showed up in the camera. Maybe we'll try and slow that down a bit. All right, so now we're going to head to oh, what's the name? You know what I've been saying before, Dr. Shine HID. We got some taillights for this car too, really awesome. Got them for a great deal too. So going to ask Tom some questions. You know, I'm thinking about color matching them. I think that'd be pretty cool. And then, well, you know, it's starting to be spring. I haven't really had a chance to clean out this car, and it's starting to get real dirty. So we're gonna go to Dr. Shine, get some car care products, and then head home, see the pups again. We got some other stuff to do to the car. We'll do that maybe tomorrow, another day. We'll see. So we'll see you once we're there. Alright, so just turning in here now. Gonna get the car taken by the professionals if you wanna. Ooh, nice WRX there. Probably getting some work done, you know, seeing as how there's no lights on it. Alright, so we're gonna hop in, hopefully they're here, and we'll see you guys around. Alright, well, got the car cleaning stuff, got some more information about the taillights here. He highly doesn't recommend it just because of how brittle they are to crack, but I'll try 225 at 5 minutes. So just go from there. Oh, 240 at 5 minutes. Go from there. I really hope I don't break these. But I mean, these look a lot better than the stock ones. So this is stock. Kind of just put them up like that. I know, I like these a lot better. Obviously, gotta fix the rust. That'll be for another day, just not today. So now we're gonna head home. This will probably be it for today. Maybe we'll show putting on the struts, but that'll be about it. So we'll see you on the road. Big yawn. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Canadian Auto. If you're new to the channel, welcome, subscribe, hit that like button. If you're visiting for the first time, thank you and have a great day.